Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, nahmadu wa nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzubillahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Okay, so today I wanna present about my portfolio. Okay, my name is Yahya Abdurrahman. I'm born in Jakarta, January 22, 2009. I'm a student of SMP Eden Boarding School. I aspire to become a cybersecurity officer. I have learned various network engineering language. Here I will show my progress in my portfolio. Okay. This is my experience. First is ADKS. ADKS is activities that are based on increasing the research of participating students to explore and understand the concept or basic of an organization. Next is Eden teaching. The student teaching activities are through the Eden Mengajar program. Teach it knowledge, and then Eden will send a number of each student to the target institution. Is open house. Open house is exhibition of work by Eden Boarding School, middle school, vocational school student which was held offline. These activities is part of the Eden Festival, where the event is regular held by Eden Middle School. Vocational school. These activities will also display various work by Eden students. Last is Edurace. These activities is across city travel competition. Each group is given limited place and given the challenge of visiting destinations by identities that place to visit and using various means of transportation and minimal funds. Next is my game project. First, there is sketching first. This game is a word catching game made with scratch. This game is a word catching game where the way to play in the or A or D or right and left buttons to move the ball and to get point from the game. We have to pick up apples that fell from above and avoid items that fell from the sky as well. Second is Pac-Man. This Pac-Man game has probably set the presence on Google Maps at or how to play it by using a room pad that has been used to the map use. How to play is almost the same as playing classic Pac-Man. Just eat all the ball on the road while avoiding the chasing ghosts. The big white ball are power-ups. Next is running ball. Running ball is a game where we play it by using the cursor. If you want to move the ball by pressing the cursor and moving it, then if it touches the diamond, it will get 1 point. And if it is hit by a thorn, then the points are reduced. Next is Dino Game. Dino Game is a game where we play it by using the space button. If you want to move the dino by pressing the space and moving it, if it can pass through the tree, it will get 1 point. And if it is hit by a tree, then the points are reduced. Last is racing car. Racing car is a game where we play it by using the cursor. If you want to move the car by pressing the cursor and moving it, and if it touches the diamond, it will get 1 point, and if it is hit by a barrier, then the points are reduced. Second is my website project. This is my personal website that I made in WordPress, and on that website you can create as many websites as you want. So on my personal website there are my project, my contact, my video tutorials, and also there are explanation for each project that I have made. Second is Masjid Web. This is a website that I made for the Al Muhajirin Mosque. So on the website I add many very useful features, and the website you can find out the prayer schedule, then prayers, then the location of the mosque, then the chairman of the takmir, contact the mosque, and so on. Last is web school. This is a website that made for SDIT Al Hikmah school. So on the website I add many features that are very usable, and the website you can find out info about Al Hikmah school. Next, design my project design. The first there is poster hadith. So this is the hadith poster design that I made use the Figma application. Next is deck designs. So this is same. I make this from Figma application, and I design this for Eden Fest or the festival. The third is this my project redesign. I make this in a Photopea application. This Instagram Plus, and my cover buku I make the use Figma application for my book. Okay. This next for IoT project. The first is smart greenhouse. So this is my project from my thing.io website. So the function of this project is that friends can simplify a device such as a home remote. If friends turn off the light, the house light will be off. This smart greenhouse. Second is smart home. This is my project that I made from the Bling website. So the function of the project that I made is that friends can find out the temperature and humidity of a room. The third is husbandry with. This is a project that I made on the Bling website. The function of the project that I made is that if you are a breeder, my project can help you to calculate how many eggs there are. Next is flood detection. Further, flood detection is an embedded system project that can provide a warning alarm if a condition shows the characteristic of a flood. The Landflowers robot is inspired by the motion of ants that always follow the line that has been made. Last is greenhouse bit. We have heard the term IoT often or familiarly. IoT or Internet of Things is a technology that allows communication or exchange of things through internet media. Next is Android project. The first is Betaco app. So this is an application that I made in Android Studio, and this application is a very usable application for Muslim who want to see prayers such as eating and drinking prayers, bedroom and the prayers, travel prayers, and others. The next second is radio online. So I make this application in Kodular, and the use of this application is to listen to Dakwah radio. And in application there are several features, namely from the three buttons in the picture, namely the pause button. If click the radio will be paused. Then if you click the start button, then the radio will start. Stop, then the radio will be stopped. The third is calculator app. So this is I make some like radio online. I make this on the Kodular application. This application is very usable application for Muslim who want to see prayers such as eating, for count the like application like calculator application in your phone. Next is several call app. So this is several app application also that I make using Figma for the design UI, and this application friend can book tickets and open files and others. Next is Find My Edge. So this is a travel local application also that I made this using Figma for the UI, and in this application friend can book ticket and count your edge. Next in my experience. First is Eden Fest in Eden boarding school, and the first like many booth of the class, and this my class winner in Eden Fest. And the next is teaching. I am teach in Santeladan and Alansor School in Bekasi. This the rest is event from Iden. From Iden go to Kota Tua in Jakarta. This is my competition. The first victor and the first competition in Azkia Bogor, and the second in Al-Fatihiyah, and last but competition in IDN. Okay. This holiday in Bandung with my class. My achievement is Asia Cup on November 22, IDN participant in futsal competition on the Askia. And the next GitHub in 9th grade, I enjoy the GitHub courses. And the 8th grade, on September 5 to October 7, I teach in Santeladan. For next is badminton in class meeting on December 16. I won first place in badminton at the class meeting. Okay, maybe that's all for me.